Gift cards are a massively popular and versatile tool for driving sales. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about using gift cards to boost your revenue and make your customers feel valued. Gift cards offer numerous benefits for businesses of all sizes. First, they're an effective way to attract new customers. Gift cards can be purchased by anyone, so they don't rely on your existing customer base. Second, gift cards encourage repeat business. When someone receives a gift card to your store, they're more likely to come back and shop again. Third, gift cards help you build customer loyalty. When customers have a positive experience with your store, they're more likely to become loyal customers and recommend you to their friends. To get the most out of gift cards, it's important to use them effectively. Here are a few tips. 1. Offer a variety of gift card denominations to meet the needs of your customers. 2. Make your gift cards easy to purchase and redeem. 3. Promote your gift cards through various channels, such as your website, social media, and in-store marketing. Gift cards are a powerful tool for any business. Thank you for watching this video and taking the time to learn more about John Taffer's invaluable resources for restaurant and bar owners. To further enhance your skills and boost your business's success, I encourage you to click the link in the description below. By accessing John Taffer's Training University online course, you'll gain expert knowledge and techniques that can revolutionize your establishment. The tips in this video: you can use gift cards to drive sales, attract new customers, and build customer loyalty. So what are you waiting for? Start using gift cards today.